Hi everyone, it's Lynnea here for ThermOWeb, and we are celebrating our Simon Hurley Create Inspiration Week with an inspiration Instagram hop. So this video is a tutorial for the card that I made for the Instagram hop, and I will leave the link to my Instagram account below in the video description first so that you can find my Instagram account and participate in the hop because there are some fun giveaways. Let's go ahead and dive right into the card. I'm going to be mixing up some Glitz Glitter Gel and some Deco Foil from ThermOWeb with the Mosaic Florals stencils from Simon Hurley Create. I'm starting with that Mosaic Floral stencil set. This is a set of 2 layering stencils, and I'm going to start with this actual floral piece. And I'm going to line this up onto a piece of cardstock that I have cut to 3.5 by 8.5 inches. And I'm going to adhere that with some of the new ThermOWeb Pixie tape. You could use Pixie spray if you want to, but I wanted to show both in this video, so I'll use Pixie spray next. But for this step, Pixie tape works just as well if you're on the go and you just have your Pixie tape. It works perfectly well to hold down your stencils. I grabbed some of the Simon Hurley Create dye inks. I'm using Prom Queen at the center of each of those flowers and Guppy around the outside edges. Now I'm spraying the second layer of the Mosaic Floral stencil set with some Pixie spray, and I'm using Pixie spray for this layer because I'm going to be using some Glitz Glitter Gel, and I want to make sure that every aspect of that stencil is fully adhered down onto my cardstock panel so that the Glitz Glitter Gel doesn't squeeze underneath into areas where it shouldn't be. I'm using my stencil pal and scooping out some of that gold Glitz Glitter Gel. I thought that would just be a classy look, but you can use any of the colors of Glitz Glitter Gel here. I'm going to spread that out with my stencil pal, make sure that I have a nice even application. Once everything's covered, I like to go over my stencil once and just kind of clean that up, and then also use my stencil pal to clean up my work surface. Now I'm going to peel this back slowly. This is a long stencil, so I kind of had to take a little break and peel it in sections. But check this out. I love that glittery background. I set that aside to dry, and now I'm going to do some foiling. This is the Candy Stripes Slimline Toner Card Front. There are a bunch of Slimline Toner Card Fronts currently on sale on the ThermOWeb website at the time that I'm making this video. So if this one is sold out, be sure to grab a different pattern because I just went with a simple pattern to put behind my stenciled piece. I grabbed some gold Deco Foil transfer sheets to coordinate with that gold Glitz Glitter Gel, and I'm going to trim a piece of the gold Deco Foil down slightly larger than my Slimline Toner Card Front. I'm placing that into a Deco Foil parchment paper carrier sheet with the gold side of the foil facing up and the silver side, the back side, facing the background of the toner card front. Look at that foil. I love it. And I'm just going to layer my stenciled piece right on top. I love all the different textures in this card, and so far I haven't really added any real dimension, but you have lots of texture from the ink blending, the foiled background, and the Glitz Glitter Gel. Because I wanted to add just a little bit of shadow to my card, I'm going to use the iCraft 1/16 of an inch jumbo foam tape roll and pop that stenciled panel up onto my background. I stamped a simple sentiment from the Simon Hurley Create Sketched Floral stamp set, and I added some of that 1/16 of an inch jumbo foam tape on the back of it. I like this thickness because it's not too thick, it's just right to add a little bit of dimension. And I popped that up into the center of the center flower, and that's going to finish off this card. I hope that you liked it. It was really easy to pull together. Remember that this card is part of an Instagram hop to celebrate the ThermOWeb and Simon Hurley Create collaboration. So be sure to head over there. I'll leave the link to my Instagram below, as well as links to all of the ThermOWeb and Simon Hurley Create products that I used to create this card in the video description below. And on the screen now are some other videos that I thought you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!